This week has been absolutely insane with a slew of new AI tools and updates that are set to revolutionize various industries. Let's jump right into the highlights and explore these cutting-edge advancements. First up, we have Ace by Alibaba, a groundbreaking open-source image editor that's transforming the way we interact with and manipulate visuals. Ace stands for all-around creator and editor, and it's designed to make image editing as simple as having a conversation with a chatbot. No more struggling with complex software or tedious manual adjustments. Imagine telling a chatbot exactly what you want to change in your image. For example, you can say, "Change the color of the dragon to golden," and Ace will seamlessly adjust the image while preserving the original composition. Beyond simple color changes, Ace can handle complex tasks like expanding the scene, adjusting camera angles, and adding or modifying accessories like sunglasses. It's perfect for creators who want to make quick, detailed edits without the hassle. Plus, the code is available on GitHub, and there's a Hugging Face space where you can try it out online. I'll drop all the links in the description below, so make sure to check them out and start experimenting. Next on the list is Moji by Microsoft, an impressive tool that takes 2D images and transforms them into detailed 3D point clouds. Short for monocular Moji 3D point clouds geometry estimation, Moji is pushing the boundaries of what's possible with single-image 3D reconstruction. You can upload just one image, and Moji generates a comprehensive 3D point map perfect for visualizing depth and spatial relationships in your photos without needing multiple angles. Once the 3D model is generated, you can interact with it in real time, rotate, zoom, and explore the model from different perspectives to get a complete understanding of the spatial layout. Moji isn't limited to static images either. You can input a video, and it will create a 3D video version maintaining motion and depth information throughout. This tool is fantastic for gaming, virtual reality, filmmaking, animation, and even 3D printing and design. The accuracy is impressive, predicting the depth and spatial location of objects even in complex scenes with multiple elements. With the Hugging Face space available for online testing and the code released on GitHub, you can quickly get started with your own 3D projects. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below to explore Moji further and see how it can elevate your projects to the next dimension. Now, let's dive into ConsistStory by Nvidia, an innovative tool for creating consistent and cohesive storyboards effortlessly. If you've ever struggled with maintaining character consistency across multiple frames, ConsistStory is about to become your new best friend. Unlike traditional methods that require training specialized models on numerous images of a character, ConsistStory allows you to generate storyboards with consistent characters without any additional training. Simply upload a reference image and ConsistStory handles the rest. Whether you're creating a sequence of an old man walking in a park, writing on a blackboard, or drinking beer at a bar, ConsistStory ensures that the character's appearance remains consistent across all scenes. It also keeps specific objects and styles intact throughout the storyboard, like a pink backpack or a pair of sunglasses. The magic behind ConsistStory lies in its advanced diffusion models enhanced with subject-driven self-attention and feature injection stages. These components work together to share information between different instances of the character and refine their features across the sequence. Plus, you can integrate ConsistStory with ControlNet to manipulate the pose of your characters, giving you even more creative freedom. The code is available on GitHub, and there's an online playground where you can experiment with ConsistStory in real time. All the links are in the description below, so be sure to explore and see how it can streamline your creative process. Up next, we have an exciting update from Flux 1.1 Pro, which has just received a significant upgrade that's set to elevate your image generation projects. Flux 1.1 Pro now boasts higher image resolutions and improved realism, making it a powerful tool for creators. With the new Pro Ultra mode, Flux can generate images with up to 4MP resolution, ensuring every detail is crisp and clear. This is a fourfold increase in resolution compared to the standard mode, perfect for high-quality prints and professional projects. Despite the higher resolution, Flux 1.1 Pro maintains impressive generation speeds, producing high-quality images in just 10 seconds per sample. Additionally, the new RAW mode significantly increases the diversity in human subjects and enhances the realism of nature photography. This mode ensures that textures, lighting, and details appear natural and authentic, making the generated images indistinguishable from real photographs. The increased resolution captures intricate details like individual leaves on trees, fabric textures, and subtle lighting nuances, making your images look professional and lifelike. While there are still minor uncanny elements, like inconsistent shirt designs or text placements, the overall quality is superb. Flux 1.1 Pro excels in maintaining facial accuracy and texture consistency, especially in high-resolution outputs. Traditional methods often struggle with adding details to complex areas like faces or intricate backgrounds, but Flux handles these effortlessly. Currently, Flux 1.1 Pro is a closed-source model, meaning you can't fine-tune or run it locally on your computer. However, it's accessible through their API, allowing you to integrate Flux 1.1 Pro into your project seamlessly. Hopefully, the open-source community will develop compatible models soon, enhancing the versatility and accessibility of Flux's powerful capabilities. For more details and to explore Flux 1.1 Pro, check out the links in the description below. Moving on to XPortrait 2 by BiteX, an advanced face animator that takes image animation to the next level. If you've ever used tools like Live Portrait, you'll appreciate how XPortrait 2 enhances the experience with more robust features and capabilities. Upload just one photo of a person and XPortrait 2 can animate their face, making them talk, change expressions, and even perform actions like sticking out their tongue. This level of detail was previously unattainable with older tools. By providing a reference video, you can guide the animations to match specific expressions and movements, ensuring that the animated character accurately reflects the emotions and actions you want to portray. XPortrait 2 excels not only with real photos, but also with non-realistic images like anime characters and paintings, making it a favorite among digital artists and animators who work with a variety of styles. One of the standout features is its ability to animate the subject's tongue, adding a new level of expressiveness that was missing in previous tools. The tool preserves the emotions and expressions from the reference video with remarkable accuracy, even during fast or sudden movements, making the animations feel more natural and lifelike. Whether it's a subtle smile or a wide-open laugh, XPortrait handles all kinds of expressions smoothly, without the rigidity seen in other tools like Runway's Face Animator. For content creators, animators, and digital artists, XPortrait offers a new dimension of creativity by allowing you to bring static images to life with detailed animations. The intuitive interface makes it easy to upload images, select reference videos, and customize animations without needing advanced technical skills. Although XPortrait hasn't released its code yet, BiteX has announced that they will do so soon. Whether you're creating engaging content for social media, enhancing your digital art projects, or developing interactive educational materials, XPortrait is a tool you definitely want to keep an eye on. Last but not least, let's talk about OmniParser by Microsoft, a tool that's set to revolutionize how AI agents interact with our digital environments. As AI becomes more integrated into our daily workflows, the ability for AI agents to understand and navigate on-screen elements accurately is crucial. OmniParser enhances vision-based AI models like GPT for vision by accurately identifying interactive elements on your screen, such as buttons, icons, menus, and other UI components. This understanding is essential for AI agents to perform tasks autonomously and efficiently. It doesn't just recognize the elements, but also understands their functions. For example, it can identify which icon is for deleting, which one opens a note-taking app, or which icon relates to weather updates. This contextual understanding allows AI agents to interact with your computer interfaces more intelligently. OmniParser is designed to work with any vision-based model, including GPT for Vision and Llama 3.2, ensuring flexibility and wide compatibility. Whether it's a mobile interface or a desktop application like PowerPoint, OmniParser scans the screen to identify all interactive elements and categorizes each one based on its function and potential interactions. The results are impressive. Benchmark scores jump significantly when using OmniParser compared to using vision models alone. For instance, GPT for Vision's accuracy on identifying mobile text and icons skyrockets from around 20% to nearly 95% with OmniParser. On desktop interfaces, the improvement is just as dramatic, with accuracy scores soaring from 20% to 91% for text and from 11.8% to 63.6% for icons. With OmniParser, AI agents can perform more complex tasks across different platforms and applications by accurately understanding and interacting with on-screen elements. This paves the way for truly autonomous AI agents that can manage workflows seamlessly. The significant boost in benchmark scores means that AI agents can now rely on OmniParser to understand their environment accurately, reducing errors and improving task performance. Imagine having an AI agent that can not only reply to your emails, but also navigate through different applications to gather data, post updates on social media, and manage your calendar all without missing a beat. The code for OmniParser is available on GitHub, allowing developers to download, modify, and integrate it into their own AI projects. Additionally, there's a Hugging Face demo where you can upload screenshots to see OmniParser in action firsthand. Check out the links in the description below to explore OmniParser and see how it can enhance your AI projects and workflows. And that's a wrap for this episode. These AI tools are just the tip of the iceberg, showcasing the incredible advancements happening in the world of artificial intelligence. Let me know in the comments which tool excites you the most. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI content. I'll see you in the next video.